How to create a Tableau data source file in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to create a Tableau data source file. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Creating a Tableau data source file is straightforward. Let's do it together. Tableau data source files are shortcuts to connect with your data. They contain information about your data, default field properties, and calculated fields, groups, sets, and bins. You can use this type of file when you want to use the work already done in another workbook or help a colleague speed up his work. Remember that a data source file does not contain the underlying data, but only the information on where to find and how to transform them. Creating a Tableau data source file is straightforward. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, you must have at least one source connected to Tableau. Go to the Data menu, select the source, then select Add to save data sources. Lastly, choose where to save it, give it a name, and click on Save. Before you go, let's do a practical example together. One of the reasons you want to use a data source file is to reuse your work in terms of transformations in other analyses. To simulate that, create a calculated field test with a default value of 1. Next, save the data source file. Then close this workbook. Now, go to the folder where you saved the data source file and double-click on it. As you can see, Tableau can load the source, displaying the calculated field you made in the other workbook. Congratulations! You are now able to create a Tableau data source file. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.